have a dream. I really want to go to the Burning Man festival someday. The desert, parties, beautiful people, lots of beautiful people in fantastic outfits. I haven't bought ticket yet, but I've already started collecting stuff and props. This is how I got the idea to make a series of designer masks in different styles. When I came up with the design, I was inspired by the famous Japanese Kabuki theater with the unique and colorful costumes. I'll be using a neural network to create the design, and the mask itself will be printed by a 3D printer. Let's go, shall we? Let's start with the design. I'm using MidJourney to generate a concept. I make a simple prompt: sci-fi Kabuki simple mask 3D model, generating a bunch of designs. And I probably like this one. Yes, I'll take it. But for now, it's a flat picture. I send it to the modeler and he creates a 3-dimensional model adapted for printing. I throw it into the print application, adjust the position and supports. And now I can print. This is how my printer looks like. It has a pretty big print table. The plastic from this spool is heated and laid out on the table in layers. Printing my mask will take over a day. Okay, the mask is printed. First, I remove the supports. I gridded all the imperfections. When printing, the model is enlarged by layers and the surface is not perfectly smooth. There are still streaks. To smooth them out a bit, I use methylene chloride. This is a rather toxic chemical, so I wear a mask. It affects the plastic so that it melts and smooths out. Before painting, I apply primer. I use an airbrush to apply the primer and thinner even layers. The mask has a complex embossed pattern, so I'm going to paint with a brush. This is my favorite part of the process. It's like a meditation. I glue on the teeth. And that's it. I can now apply the finishing varnish. I think it's pretty good. What do you think? Okay, the mask can't hold the face by itself. We're gonna add rubber bands. There are some holes for them right here. But that's not all. I want to keep the skin comfortable, so I'll cover the inner surface of the mask with Alcantara. It's a very soft and cozy material. Finally, here's our mask. I really like this oriental style. I think now I need to get an outfit of the same style. The mask is now going into my collection. All the masks are made with the same technology. Neural network design, 3D printing and a lot of careful post-processing. Not all of them are finished yet. These are the two I'll be working on later. Maybe I'll make a special video about it. And that's it. Thanks for watching to the end, and I hope it was interesting. See you in the comments and in my next video. Bye!